What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XSC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I organize my track when I'm working on a large project. So today I'm actually doing this demonstration for film scoring that I'm been doing for this horror film. Okay, so but you can also use this technique when you're arranging a pop song, 3-minute 4-minute songs, it doesn't matter, right? So you can see here, usually I will create a lead motif for a character or a situation. In this horror film, what I did, there is a zombie team 2 here, right? And there's another zombie scene here and zombie team. So for both of these zombie team, I'm gonna use the same melody, but of course I will change the orchestration. So right now, these MIDI events and these MIDI events are what made this zombie team 2. So if I were to move this to the zombie team and zombie team right here, I'm gonna have to make sure select all of these MIDI events and then press Alt and drag it to the right side. Okay, but sometimes if I'm working on a large project, I may miss out something. You see, I've already missed this part here, or this another one here. So all these MIDI events that I did move together, it will sound awkward once I've moved it to the end zombie team part. So to avoid this, what you can do is, first you can select all of these MIDI events together. So this one, I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to scroll down, press Ctrl and select this one, scroll down and press Ctrl, select this one and this one as well. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to go up and make sure all of these MIDI events are selected. Great. Now I'm going to press Ctrl and G. So when I hit Ctrl G, you can see there's an icon on the top right hand corner. This one indicates that these MIDI events are grouped together, right? We can just look at the MIDI events and know that these MIDI events are being grouped and this one is not, right? So the cool part is, when I want to move it to the other zombie team, okay, let me go here. Oh, see, I didn't copy this one, but never mind. I'm gonna go back here. So I'm gonna select this one and everything is being selected, right? Now I can just press press Alt and drag it to the right. Okay, so I just click on one of the MIDI event and all of them are selected. Now that's awesome. Okay, this will definitely save you a lot of time, and you can do this with any kind of events. For example, if you have an audio event and you have a MIDI event, where's MIDI? Let's find it. Okay, so this is a MIDI event and this is the audio event. So you can also group these two together. If I move one of these MIDI or audio event around, the other one will also move together. So let's select this one and this one, group them. But in case you want to ungroup them, okay, how do you ungroup them once you have moved it around, right? That's also pretty easy. All you have to do is press Ctrl and U. So once you press Ctrl U, it will ungroup. You can see that the icon on the right side is no longer there. So let's go and ungroup some of these events, right? Ctrl U. Okay, let's ungroup this guy. Ctrl U. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys find value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button and share this video to all your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.